Conjugation of the verb to hold in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I hold. 2. Simple past, I held. 3. Simple future, I will hold. 4. Present continuous, I am holding. 5. Past continuous, I was holding. 6. Future continuous, I will be holding. 7. Present perfect, I have held. 8. Past perfect, I had held. 9. Future perfect, I will have held. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been holding. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been holding. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been holding. Conjugation of the verb to hold, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it holds. 2. Simple past, he, she or it held. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will hold. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is holding. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was holding. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be holding. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has held. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had held. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have held. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been holding. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been holding. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been holding. Conjugation of the verb to hold, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they hold. 2. Simple past, you, we or they held. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will hold. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are holding. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were holding. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be holding. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have held. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had held. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have held. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been holding. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been holding. 12. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been holding. Verb to hold forms. Present simple I, you, we, they hold. / he, she, it holds. Past simple held. Past participle held. Ing form holding.